Hi, my name is Ayanna Denise. I am the creator of Ayanna Denise Skin, and you can always visit us on www.ayannadenise.com for lots of great skin tips. But today I am going to go over the top 5 beauty trends of 2022. So, what should you be taking part in? What should you stay away from? I'm going to guide you on that because I know how sometimes it's sort of confusing to understand what trends you should pay attention to and what you shouldn't. So, I'm going to go through it with you so you have a very clear understanding. A little about myself. My name is Ayanna, like I said, and I am a master holistic skincare therapist and trainer. So I do not go by being an esthetician just because the focus of estheticians are different from mine. So my focus is to provide an education for the consumers while also training skin professionals in the art of great skin. This is a natural study. It is a natural practice. It is all holistic. I don't take part in, anything dealing with waxing or tinting or coloring or anything of that sort. My main focus is to keep the skin organ healthy and to also help and guide you on maintaining healthy skin and also understanding how your skin works. My base is genetics. I start from there, and then also involved with how you take care of your skin is your geographic location and also your lifestyle and diet. So I cover all those things. So today I'm really excited about talking to you about the top trends so you have really good guidance. Okay, the first really big trend that I absolutely love is skin minimalism, obviously. Usually when you see me, I really don't have anything on. Yes, my skin is super duper sensitive, but I know a lot of people's skin are. But the only difference is that sometimes we tend to ignore those sensitivities. So I have embraced the sensitivities. I've said, okay, cool. So my skin doesn't like color or anything like that. So this skin minimalism trend, it's really not right up my alley. So for skin minimalism, you have no makeup, or if you have makeup, it is a very natural look. The skin is very sheer. The eyebrows are natural. And then also you put a little bit of something on your lip like a balm or a little bit of a gloss, but nothing like a heavy color. I have seen skin minimalism played out very well with a nude color lip. So it is very similar to that person's skin tone, but maybe a little bit darker or a little bit lighter. I love it. Also, people do skin plumpers, lip plumpers. It adds a little bit of fatness to the skin, giving it more round effect. It smooths out the fine lines and wrinkles. One great thing about plumpers is that you may already have an ingredient that has a natural plumping ingredient. One is argan oil and another is jojoba. So if you have these oils at home, they are natural skin plumpers. So take really good use of them, put them on your skin to plump and freshen up your skin as needed. Natural resources are also a part of skin minimalism. These are resources that slow down the oxidative damage that is caused to our skin from pollution, from foods that we eat. You can find these in fish nuts, turmeric, green tea, onions, and garlic. Fortify the skin against environmental stressors. These are all part of skin minimalism. I'm telling you, I absolutely love this trend. Also, reducing inflammation. That is our second trend. So you're going to see this a lot. You're going to see call outs and ingredients on products that say, hey, we reduce inflammation. This has started in the diet industry, in the food industry. And so we are now seeing it in the skin industry. Things that reduce inflammation, vitamin C. That's going to be a big call out. It's already been called out last year. You're going to see it even more this year. A lot of brands are hopping on that bandwagon. Hey, we have vitamin C in the product, or we're going to add it. Also, the derma roller, that reduces inflammation. Love the derma roller. You can get it in all types of crystals on there. Just make sure you research what the purpose of crystals are before you select your derma roller. I always have crystals with me They're either on my wrist, I put them, on my bra, in my bra, I should say, or in my pockets. So crystals are very helpful to ground. And also, you just have to be very careful about that and understand what the crystals mean. Another big inflammation reducing tool is the Gold Cryo. These wands, they refresh the complexion by harnessing cold temperature. This is a really great one to use at night to refresh you before going to bed, before a photo shoot or a video shoot, a special appearance. If you don't have a Gold Cryo wand, guess what? Use some ice. And there's also some cold gels that are on the market that you can use as well. No chemicals, sulfates, parabens, heavy metals. Those are all part of reducing inflammation as well, because those ingredients actually cause inflammation. Didn't think about that, have you? But think about that from now on when you're shopping for products and what ingredients they're using. Keeping the moisture locked into your skin, that is also a part of reducing the inflammation. Okay, the next trend, plant-based ingredients. This is a big one. Love it. I think that it has been called out for the last couple of years, but a lot of people have not been paying that much of attention to it, but now we are. So when you say plant-based, you're also saying natural. You're saying that, the product is saying, I'm going to give you something that you want. I'm going to say that I have coconut oil in it. I'm going to say I have the use of cocoa, raw cocoa in it, in the ingredients. So plant-based ingredients provide a solid, healthy foundation, and it is a really important trend. Other natural plant-based ingredients are rose water, love it. Carobs, superfood is a big one that you'll see under that natural ingredients. Another call out you'll see is packed with antioxidants, rich in vitamins. It strengthens the skin barrier. Okay, you're going to see these call outs, so watch out for it. That's going to be a huge trend. And lastly, the upcycled ingredients are a huge trend as well. We at Ayanna Denise have really focused on creating things that you can do at home. So we teach you how to make a body scrub. We're teaching you how to make a lip balm yourself at home. So how we're doing this is incorporating, hey, you know what? If you bought this product from us, reuse the container and use it for this also. And there's all kinds of things you can use with these containers. So a lot of companies are becoming very eco-friendly. We are reducing waste. We're reducing our packaging. We're making things reusable. We are also focused on recycling. This is a big thing. And then also vegan formulas. So 90% of our products are, let's say 95, 96% are actually vegan. And so we call that out because we know there are people who really just want to use vegan products. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you got a lot out of these top 5 trends for 2022. I tried to give you as much information as possible just to go through the rest of these, the no chemicals and then plant-based ingredients. These are big deals, and, upcycled ingredients are big deals as well. They weren't 5 years ago, but let me tell you, it is not playing games now. We are becoming extremely conscious as far as the skincare companies, especially the smaller ones that are able to react to what the earth is really needing and what our consumers are looking for. But here's just a little recap of the skin trends. I hope you enjoyed everything that I told you today. Please check us out on our website, www.ayannadenise.com. We have a blog on there. We have skin guides that you can download. Some of them are actually free and there's no cost to you. And we have amazing products and services that you can take advantage of, whether you live in New Mexico or if you're in Japan. So I want you to take a look. Please write to us at hello@ayannadenise.com. If you have any questions or if you want to book a consultation, you can do that online as well. And come see us in Albuquerque, New Mexico. I look forward to seeing you soon. And thank you so much for trusting me with your skin.